Urban Loft Tampa is offering engraved pocket knives on Etsy.com. I will put a direct link in the description with a 10% discount code. Urban Loft offers several high-quality pocket knife styles for you to choose from to suit your needs and the outdoorsman in your life. This is a great gift any time of the year for Father's Day, birthdays, or any other precious occasions. You have this lovely knife. The engraving is free. You can get any type of monogram or name of your choice, coated in stainless steel or natural wood. I have chosen the black with wood, also known as the Kevin, and I love it a lot. It will become my official unboxing knife. I have had it engraved with my branding and it came out great. The stained wood looks really good. The knife feels very solid and sharp. I can say this is a very quality knife. And you can get yours at the link below. See how sharp it is? Boom. I like it. Stainless steel. Like I said earlier, very well made. Has a can and bottle opener. And the only gripe I have, really not that important. I wish the wood was on both sides of the blade, but it's just me because I just like symmetry. But like I said earlier, this is a very great knife. Has some weight to it, weighs about 2 pounds. Stainless steel, black anodized. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the information useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video with anyone who could benefit. But if I missed something, you know what to do. But if your feeling is a little bit more complicated than that, or you have a suggestion, please leave a comment. Also, I stream several times a week on Twitch. The schedule is in the video description. Also, you can follow me on the social medias at tekminute. Best to believe, I am a social guy.